Introduce short overview of VEBU Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. How does it differ from other brands? Because, consists of the following features. Fast and powerful inflation. This portable tire inflator delivers up to 100 psi of pressure and inflates a 165/70 R13 tire from 30 psi to 35 psi in under 1 minute. Ideal for quick tire pressure adjustments, road trips, and emergency roadside inflation when you need it most. Real-time analog pressure gauge. Built-in analog dial gauge clearly displays real-time tire pressures so you can monitor inflation accurately and avoid overinflation for safer driving. Easy plug-and-play operation. Simply plug the air compressor into your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter, connect the hose to the tire valve, and flip the switch to start inflating. No complicated setup, perfect for beginners and emergency situations. Extra long cord for all 4 tires. Equipped with a 9-foot 8-inch power cord and 2-foot 5-inch air hose, this tire inflator easily reaches all 4 tires of most cars. Compact and multi-purpose design, weighing only 1.21 pounds, this compact air compressor easily fits in your trunk or glove box. Ideal for inflating car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, air mattresses, and pool inflatables. In addition, you can press to subscribe button, press to select the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.